24 hours in Barcelona went like that. We're just getting started at 9 a.m. and we're in France, apparently. It's the Arc de Triomphe. Barcelona's got one too. Beautiful. Oh, Arc de Triomphe. I'm trying to get you in it too. Morning in Barcelona means empty streets. So if you want to walk around without the heat, without the crowds, get up and get out. I'm the king now. Barcelona's kind of impressive. It's like every 7 feet there's something like this. It's just non-stop. We're gonna try to find some coffee, get away from all this amazing architecture. It's almost too much. Barcelona is unofficially the walking tour capital of the world. There's like 7 walking tour groups here.
We're in La Boqueria, the oldest market in the city, or the oldest recorded market in the city, or continuous market in the city.
Gonna get food. Of having some time on Las Ramblas. We'll see. A whole lot of people. It's also like 1. Barceloneta. Barceloneta. I'm gonna go get in the water.
Shawn's a swimmy boy. I'm a sandy girl.
So we just got back from the beach. We walked around town today, enjoyed a bunch of stuff, and we're headed to La Sagrada Familia for our 5:30 thing. Hopefully get some nice video. Should be a really pretty day. What do you think? We made it to
La Sagrada Familia.
That's all the people at the bottom looking up. We're the only people on this balcony right now, and it's kind of awesome. Hey, Lainey.
Really scary.
Working on some stuff to light over on this balcony.
Make their vermouth in-house. It's a Story special vermouth. You can get white or red. We had the red, garnished with rosemary.